Welcome back, grill enthusiasts. Today, in this video I will show you the top 5 best charcoal grills in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just getting started on your grilling journey, choosing the right charcoal grill can make all the difference. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. So, let's dive in. Starting off our list is the PKGo's PKGo grill grilling system. If you're looking for a heavy-duty charcoal grill that you can take camping, tailgating, and more, the PKGo's PKGo is our top recommendation. The top and bottom of the grill are crafted from cast aluminum, making it extremely durable and sturdy to use. The cooking surface is 17 by 12 inches, providing just over 200 square inches of cooking space. But you can also detach the lid and use it as a secondary grill, essentially doubling the room you have to work with. Overall, we were impressed with this portable grill's design, and the PKGo performed well during our testing, too. After just 10 minutes of preheating, the grill reached temperatures over 500 degrees, providing a nice hot cooking surface. The burgers and brats sizzled immediately when placed on the grill, and both items had beautiful grill marks when they were done cooking. However, because the grill is made from cast metal, the whole thing becomes very hot to the touch, so you'll need to use the appropriate grilling accessories while cooking and keep children away from the grill. The one major downside of the PKGo is that it's quite heavy, weighing almost 40 pounds. It's not the type of grill you'll want to carry out to a remote campsite, but you can't beat it for tailgating or grilling by the beach. Next up, we have the Everdure Cube Portable Grill. The Everdure Cube is a smaller and more affordable portable charcoal grill that excels when it comes to portability. It weighs just 15 pounds, making it incredibly easy to bring along on your outdoor adventures, and it even comes with a convenient food prep board and storage tray that nest inside the grill. The Cube only offers 115 square inches of cooking space, but we found that this is plenty if you're only cooking for 1 or 2 people. This charcoal grill did take a little longer to heat up than other models, but it still did a great job cooking a variety of food during testing. There were definitive grill marks on the brats and charring on the corn on the first side after flipping. The first side of the burgers did not have grill marks but had a quality sear on them like they were done in a skillet. The only downside is that it doesn't have a lid that you can use while cooking, but it still exceeded expectations in terms of performance. Plus, the grill was very easy to clean out after use, and its stay-cool handles and lightweight made it easy to move around. Moving on to our third pick, the Weber Smokey Joe Charcoal Grill. If you only take your grill on the go occasionally, the Weber Smokey Joe is a relatively budget-friendly option that will get the job done. This lightweight portable grill is essentially just a smaller version of Weber's popular kettle grills, and it has a 14 inches grate that offers around 147 square inches of cooking space. The whole thing is less than 10 pounds, making it a breeze to move, but we don't like that it doesn't have a lid lock, which makes it a bit more precarious to transport. If you're willing to spend a few extra dollars, the Smokey Joe Premium has a very similar design and does include a lid lock. In terms of performance, the Smokey Joe fell in the middle of the pack during testing. It reached over 500 degrees after 10 minutes of preheating, and its dampers made it easy to adjust the heat. But our food ended up looking more baked than grilled, with minimal char lines. We wish the charcoal grate were closer to the grill grate itself. The grill does cook food as is, just not at high temperatures. Overall, the grill gets the job done, and you can't beat its lightweight and low price. Our fourth pick is the Oklahoma Joe's Tabletop Charcoal Grill. While not necessarily the most travel-friendly, the Oklahoma Joe's Rambler Tabletop Charcoal Grill is an unbeatable option for your patio or even tailgating. This tabletop grill is one of the more bulky options we tested. It's essentially a pared-down version of barrel-style charcoal grills, but it works great if you're not planning to move it around too much. This grill offers 218 square inches of cooking space, and its heavy-duty cast iron grates produce a beautiful sear on any food. When testing, food in contact with the cast iron grates browned exceedingly well. The corn, in particular, had a nice char. You can also adjust the charcoal grate to several height settings to dial up the heat if desired. And we love that the grill has a pull-out ashtray that makes cleanup quick and easy. Last but certainly not least, we have the Dyna-Glo Portable Tabletop Charcoal Grill. You can cook for a fairly large group of people using the Dyna-Glo Signature Series Portable Charcoal Grill. It has a hefty barrel-style design that weighs just over 40 pounds, so it's not the most portable option, but it's ideal for setting up on your back deck or even in the bed of a truck. It boasts 287 square inches of cooking space, and its charcoal grate is accessible from the side, making it easy to add more fuel while you're cooking. We were impressed with this grill's performance during testing. It heated up to over 500 degrees in just 10 minutes, and it left nice sear marks and charring on the hamburgers and sausages. There was plenty of room on the cooking surface to spread food without crowding, but we found that the side drawer was a bit tricky to remove when it was time to clean the grill. And there you have it, our top 5 best charcoal grills in 2024. Whether you prefer the classic simplicity of the Weber kettle grill or the high-performance capabilities of the PKGo, there's a grill here to suit every taste and cooking style. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. So, fire up those coals, unleash your inner grill master, and let the culinary adventures begin. Until next time, happy grilling!